Spina. I'm a junior at Rollins College and a communications major. And today I'm going to be taking over the Rollins Snapchat. Can't wait. Hey guys, so the first thing I like to do when I wake up is go for a little exercise. So I'm going to be taking Mudge, one of my favorite dogs, on a walk with my sister, MB.
Hi guys, my name's Maddie McLean. I'm a junior at Rollins College and I'm the 2018 president of Chi Omega. You guys should all come out to our philanthropy event called Eat a Dish for Make-A-Wish from 5 to 7 today in front of Bush.
So I'm headed to the campus center to get a nice healthy lunch before I have my first class at 1 o'clock.
Been going on in their lives, and they feel like that it's important for
Hi, so right now me and Kate are going to drop the food off at Eat a Dish and get everything set up for you guys. Can't wait to see you there. Woo! Signature sauce. Best.
Really greasy beef, like down in there, like yeah.
I love Kyo. Yeah, Henry, say a few words.
What you know, baby? Kyo in the cut, eating a dish. Come support. Only way.
Yes! I hope you guys enjoyed my Snapchat takeover today, and thank you to everyone who came out to Eat a Dish for Make-A-Wish. It was amazing. Thank you guys. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, it's Kitspina, Snapchat Kitspina, and follow my makeup account, Kit_makeup20. Bye guys. Also, one thing before I go, I really want to shout out the homies Siobhan and Sarah all the way in Italy.